Some people in Billings with no other place to stay could find themselves out in the cold during the worst of winter.
The Montana Rescue Mission says it will no longer take in those seeking shelter who have been using alcohol.
Previously, everyone was allowed to come inside the shelter who needed a place to stay on nights with bad weather.
Russ Riesinger talked to the executive director of the Montana Rescue Mission about the policy change and what will happen to those impacted. Russ.
It doesn't officially have to be winter for our weather to be dangerously frigid. The executive director of the Montana Rescue Mission told me he hates to see anyone cold, but he says this policy change is being made for the safety of staff and also for the safety of those who stay here and do follow the rules.
This may sound a little bit hard, but for years everyone's looked to Montana Rescue Mission as the solution for this, but frankly we don't have the capital resources, the financial resources or the staffing to really deal with these folks.
So from now on, instead of allowing those who've been drinking to still come out of the cold on those nights when the weather outside becomes frightful, they will instead be given the option to come here to the Community Crisis Center.
Yeah, the simple solution for them, and I know they have addiction issues, is go work with the crisis center, get beyond the addiction, and come in sober the next day, and they can stay for as long as they need to. So
it's going to create a big strain on my staff in particular. We do have a formal triage process in place, and that is to make sure that we are serving those that are in the most need due to mental health and substance abuse. But we still have the law enforcement that bring people to us in crisis. We have the hospitals that send people to us in crisis. We have private individuals that bring people. And so what's going to have to happen is those in the most need will be able to be served.
And that could lead to some people who truly need help being put back on the streets. The Crisis Center has already reached its 45-person capacity 5 times in October alone.
And so, weather doesn't always predict the capacity issues, but I do fear that since we've already hit that capacity issue in October, that is a strong indicator that it will continue all winter long.
Neri did tell me she's been working with the local church trying to find a place to meet this need. With winter fast approaching, she's hoping that solution will come soon. In Billings, I'm Russ Riesinger reporting for MTN News.